In this short course, we will learn how to use the WritingSpace tool. The first thing we need to do is log in to the platform through the login screen. After entering our email address and password, we will be redirected to the main dashboard, where we can view all our existing documents. To create a new document, simply click the New Document button. This will take us to the writing screen, which we will explore later in the course. Existing documents can also be edited or deleted by clicking the three-dot menu on each document card. The dashboard also provides access to the Help and Documentation section, where users can learn how the platform works and discover tips for getting the most out of its features. Finally, the top menu includes a Profile section. Here, users can view and edit their profile information, change their profile picture, update their display name, and select their preferred application language from the many available options.